Hey guys, it's been a while. Today I'm out kayaking. It's a bit of a change of pace for this channel. I haven't posted a video for like 2 years, I don't think. But yeah, nice morning. Just a Thursday morning, so there's not that many people out here, nice and quiet. And today we're just going to be doing a bit of jewfish fishing. If you see this video on the channel, then that means there will definitely be more to come, but yeah, it just depends how it goes today. But yeah, it's a nice day out on the Hawkesbury, so yeah, hopefully we can catch a few. Just going to be using squid and some heavier lines today. Got an 80 pound, a 40 pound and a 20 pound, so yeah, hopefully that'll do the trick. The tide's running pretty quickly at the moment. It's about an hour and a half till tide change, so still got a bit of waiting to do. I'm just going to relax at the moment, just chuck the anchor out. Holding pretty well by the look of it. Not in my optimal spot, but should do nicely. But yeah, just enjoying the moment out here because it's really nice weather at the moment. Just had a big run. I think I got a dewy on. Just been unpacking everything because I had to find my pliers from the catfish, but oh yeah, it's dewy. Oh, shame it. I thought I had the camera on, man. Oh yeah, he's there. He's coming up. Might be a decent size one. Went for quite a little run. Oh yeah, dewy. You're not legal, but he's good size actually. Come Come here. Oh yes, that's made the trip worth it. Look at that. Nice, nice little Dewey. Maybe around 50, 55 centimeters. Nice little one. Okay, there we go. Got it off. I just gotta swim him. Well, there he is. These are little fish. Oh, good. He's off. Thank God for that. Could have been hooked a lot worse. Any other species of fish that was an awesome size to keep, but the dewies, in case you don't know, you got to let them go if they're under 70. That guy probably was around 50, I'd say. But yeah, it was a good little experience. Yeah, I got another one. Oh, this one's decent as well. Just as the wave of rubbish came by. Oh yeah. You got a lot more feisty, this one. Oh, I don't know what side of this line I should reel him in, because I think it's tangled. Oh yeah, you got good shakes. Might be another school Dewey size. He's coming in pretty quickly, so he's not that big. Oh yeah, the line's fucked. Bring him around this side, under the yak. Oh yeah, just a little one. Not bad. Oh shit, he's feisty as fuck. Oh shit. Not on my anchor rope, man. Land him with my hand, this one. Similar, oh. Similar size, but a bit smaller. Oh, there we go. Another little one. He'll release pretty well. Oh yep, darted off. There we go. Number 2. He took it for a bit as well. Oh, yeah. Probably similar to the last one. They're really bloody. Watch it. This one was playing with it a bit, so it might not be a dew. It probably is though. Tide change and all. Oh yeah, it's a dewy. Oh yeah, there we go. Another decently sized one. Bit smaller maybe. But yeah, similar. Ah, shit, has he swallowed it, man? No. Ah. Shit. That's not good. Alright. When they swallow the hooks, the best thing to do is just cut them very close to the mouth, and then obviously they'll swim off like that. Okay, that's good. Yeah, it's a bit of a shame when they swallow it like that, but best thing you can often do is just cut it if there's just no chance you're gonna get it out, because they rust out like in a week or so, so it's alright. That's what I've found out. Oh yeah, that's a bit heavier maybe. Oh no, is it? Okay, we can get that out. Another tiny little dewy. Oh, hey, stop. Rip, man. Fuck. He's been attacked as well, look at that. Come on, bro. Yep, shut off. Big one on. Oh shit. He just went for a massive run. Oh yeah. He's there. Fucking phone. On the 80 pound line. Oh yeah, he's a lot bigger, this one. Feel the weight in him. Oh, he's decent actually. Yeah, wow. Whoa, that's close to keeper. Fuck. Not keeper, but he's close. Biggest one of the day so far. Oh, fuck. Oh, come on, man. Well, there we go. Oh. Oh, far out, that's close. Oh, so close to a keeper. Yeah, he'd be 60 that one at least. But yeah, wow, good fish. Yep, he's off. Beautiful. That's what we like to see. Hands on now. Reel didn't go screaming, but the bloody rod was about to come out of the rod holder back here. Not a very big one, but I think it's another Dewey. God, he fought hard. No, he's dropped off. Right, well guys, thanks for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and I'll probably be posting more. If this is uploaded anyway, I'll probably be posting more. Might go chase some trevally and stuff on the kayak. That'd be good fun. But yeah, I don't know what my upload schedule will be like if I do continue posting, but yeah, it should be weekly or bi-weekly, I'd say. It depends how much I go fishing, obviously. But yeah. Alright, cool. See ya.